In a small town surrounded by hills and greenery, there lived a young artist named Emily. From a very young age, she loved painting. But life was tough for Emily's family, and they struggled with money. Despite all the difficulties, Emily held on to her dream of being an artist, believing that her art could make a better future. One day, a big opportunity came knocking. A famous art gallery in the city was having a competition. Emily saw this as her chance to get noticed. With hope in her heart, she worked hard on a beautiful painting that told a story of not giving up. But just when she was about to submit her artwork, a problem arose. Emily got sick and couldn't deliver her painting. She felt her dream slipping away. However, even in that tough situation, she didn't lose hope. With the help of her family and friends, Emily made it to the gallery, determined not to give up. She handed over her artwork with shaky hands, showing the struggles she had been through. The person in charge of the gallery was moved by her story. They saw not just a beautiful painting, but also the strength inside Emily. Her painting became a symbol of not giving up, inspiring others facing challenges. News of Emily's success spread quickly in the art world. Opportunities opened up, and the gallery that seemed impossible to reach became a stage for her art. Emily's story taught her and others that setbacks were not the end but a way to success. As Emily's art flourished, she shared her story with other aspiring artists, telling them to stay strong in tough times. Emily, who had once struggled as an artist, now became a source of hope for others. In the quiet town where dreams often seemed out of reach, Emily's story echoed through generations. It became a reminder that dreams were not just for the lucky, but for those who dared to chase them, even when things got tough. The town, which didn't know about the heights one could reach, now celebrated the strong spirit within its people. So, Emily's story became a living example of the power of never giving up. Her art not only told a story on canvas, but also in the hearts of those who kept dreaming, no matter what life threw at them.